Ishan. This is my biggie brother, Anna.
Hi, என் பேர் பிரஜித். Today நான் birds quiz மேக் பண்ணி நாங்க செய்ய போறோம். Ishan, what is the largest bird in the world, Ishan?
Ostrich.
What is the smallest bird in the world?
Bee hummingbird.
Which bird can fly backwards?
Hummingbird.
Which is the fastest flying bird?
Peregrine falcon.
Which is the slowest bird in the world?
Andaman woodcock.
American woodcock.
American woodcock.
Which birds are birds of prey?
Owl and eagles, vulture, falcons.
Which birds are flightless?
Kakapo, ostrich, penguin.
What is the fastest swimming bird?
Gentoo penguin.
Which bird is the best swimmer?
All cormorant species. All cormorant species.
Which bird has largest eyes?
Ostrich.
What is the night bird?
Owl.
Which is the second largest bird in the world?
Emu.
What is the UK national bird?
Robin.
What is the most common bird in UK 2020?
House sparrow.
What is the UK's largest bird?
Eagle.
Well done, Ishan. You answered everything correctly. Ishan, in the gardenuக்குள்ள 3 birds இருக்குது. அந்த 3 birds நீங்க ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணி அவங்களோட நேம் சொல்லுங்க. Find the 3 birds.
This bird is called Peregrine falcon.
Well done. So you found one. You can't show it like that. What is that?
Seagull.
Can you find the last one?
It's a flamingo.
Well done. எல்லாரும் please like பண்ணி subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Please watch and subscribe to Stay with Isha. Bye.
Please subscribe with the video. Bye.